Hello everyone, this is my review of the 12-inch Rumina Hybrid Ceramic Nonstick Skillet with lid. The ceramic-infused nonstick surface lives up to its promise. Nothing sticks, even when I'm not using oil. Cleanup is a breeze. It's even dishwasher safe, which I love. The metal utensil safe finish means I don't have to baby it with plastic tools. The Tri-Ply stainless steel construction makes heat distribution super even. I've been searing, sauteing, and frying everything without hot spots. It's also induction compatible, so whether I'm using gas or my induction cooktop, it works great. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and comes with a glass lid, so it's versatile enough for stovetop cooking and finishing in the oven. If you're looking for a high-quality, non-toxic skillet that's easy to clean, works with all cooktops, and handles oven use, this one checks all the boxes. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.